coming for videos. I've realized I just spit the damn thing out. So anyway, if you don't mind the chewing, I'm going to keep chewing. Just thought I'd show you a few few things I picked up in my travels. And I bet you some are going to laugh, because that's what I'm showing you. So anyway, check this out. Here is grip-on locking pliers. These are power grip locking pliers. These are Samson locking pliers. These are whale tool locking pliers. These are Cummings locking pliers, which I think you can see right there. All right, can't see that one. Go back a little. Those are Cummings. These are crummy Mastercraft ones. Very crummy ones. The ones I got though. These are BMC locking pliers. These are Tecton locking pliers. These are one version of vintage Craftsman. These are Seymour Smith locking pliers. These are Vice Grip by Irwin. These are Vice Grips before they're Irwin, Peterson's. These are Black Diamond Vice Grips, which I have also. Locking pliers, not Vice Grips. These are Sloppy Wizard ones, locking pliers. Walmart brand, Hart locking pliers. Crescent brand locking pliers. And what else do we got here? Oh yeah, another Wizard locking pliers. And there's another variation of Irwin, what do you call it, Vice Grip. Another variation of Irwin Vice Grip. And I have multiple, multiple Milwaukee locking pliers. That should sum up a few names of locking pliers. Mind you, there's about 10 more other brands that I've been noticed that exist that I will pick up in the future and review them here. I think half of them are probably stolen concept from Irwin Vice Grip, and Irwin Vice Grip probably stole them from the older ones and vice versa. So yeah, if you're happy and you like locking pliers, subscribe here. If you're happy and you like Vice Grips, subscribe right there. Anyway, I'll stop saying stupid things. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. This is my tribute to Locking Pliers.